Hey guys, so this is a quick video just to show you how to tune in case you haven't done it before. I know some of you have, some of you haven't, so I just thought I'd show you. This is using an app called Fender Tune. It's on all Android and all Apple products, so your parents should be able to get this for you. It's really easy to use. You just play a single note. You've seen me do this loads of times. Play your note. It'll tell you if it's flat or sharp. If it's flat, you're going to turn it clockwise. If it goes too sharp, you're going to turn it anti-clockwise. You're just going to keep playing it. Hold it there and then it tells you if it's in tune. Do that for all your strings. Remember, your strings from the top should be tuned E, A, D, G, B, E, which is elephants and donkeys grow big ears. We've done that loads of times. Use this app, it really help you out. Don't turn it too far. If it's going to a different tuning, turn it back and then try again. Don't keep turning it or you'll break a string. Sometimes your string might be turned the wrong way around at the end here on this bit. If it's the wrong way around on this bit, you might have to turn it the opposite direction to what I just said. But get your parents to help. They'll be really helpful. Okay? Alright, thank you.